Hey guys, today I'm at Costco in search of the best 4th of July deals that you definitely don't want to miss. So many great sales going on right now, so please don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe, and well, let's get right to it. So we actually ended up purchasing this Costco all-in-one hand truck that you can turn it into 4 different positions a couple years ago as soon as it went on sale. The sale is pretty much the same. It has $30 off until July 20th. The best price I've seen. The price went from $130 down to $100, and this one right here is super worth it. Has a 1,000-pound weight capacity, and you can turn it again into 4 different positions. You could do upright, cart, assist, or the platform cart, which was super useful for us when moving. And there's just so many different situations that we've made really good use of this all-in-one Costco hand truck. Definitely recommend. Here we have the Ninja Flip in the kitchenware section that's also on sale right now. It's a toaster oven and air fryer, and you can actually save space in your countertop just by turning it on the side. This one has $40 off until July 20th, so normally goes for $190, but right now the price comes down to $150. It comes with 10-in-1 functions. You can do reheat, bake, broil, roast, air fry. You also have the option for bagels, for toasting, to dehydrate, and to keep your food nice and warm. Here are some additional things of what's included. You have the sheet pan, the air fry basket that pretty much air fries up to 4 pounds. You have a wire rack and a removable crumb tray. Now, when it comes to Adidas products, I've noticed most of the times they pretty much stay at their original price, but I did spot these Adelaide comfort slides, which are pretty comfy, by the way. I found them with $4 off until June 23rd. So they go from $16 down to $12. In terms of sizes, I only spotted whole sizes, by the way, and they have both men and women's sizing. So you can see a U.S. men's size 10 is a woman's size 11, or a U.S. men's size 5 is a woman's size 6. They only have them in black and white. I also found this really nice glassware set that comes with a total of 16 pieces. This one right here is by a brand called Libby, and it's on sale with $4 off until June 29th. So this is a pretty nice discount because the price goes from $17 down to $13. I do love that the glasses pretty much come with lids, so that way you can take your beverage on the go too. Comes with 4 20-ounce glasses, and you also have 4 of the 14-ounce glasses. So these are great for smoothies. If you want to do like overnight oats too, they're good for that. These are dishwasher safe, and they also come with BPA-free lids. I also found this beautiful organizer set that comes with a total of 6 pieces, and these are clear, by the way, which is amazing. That way you can always see what's inside, and you can use these anywhere in your home. I found them with $4 off until June 29th, so they go from $17 down to $13. Again, a total of 6 pieces. So you get 2 of the wide extra large organizers and 4 of them that are a little bit more narrow. And you can use these anywhere from the fridge, pantry, cabinet, office, drawer, and of course more. Love that you can see right through them, so that way, again, you can always see what's inside. You can also do different configurations for them depending on your needs. I also found a great deal on this avocado salsa that comes with fresh tomatillos, and look at the size of this. It's a 32-ounce container, so you're getting a really good amount. It goes for $6 at the moment, considering it has $2 off, and the deal is going to be ending one day right before 4th of July, so July 3rd. And remember, guys, Costco is closed on 4th of July, so you want to make sure you grab everything you need a day before. So this salsa is made with pretty simple ingredients. It's made with tomatillos, Hass avocados, water, jalapeno peppers, cilantro, lime juice, sea salt, and of course garlic. 2 tablespoons, only 20 calories. If you're wondering what to pair with the avocado salsa with, the Siete Foods grain-free tortilla chips could be a great option. These have a sprinkle of sea salt on them, and they're made with avocado oil. 15-ounce bag, and at my Costco is going for $5, considering it has $2 off, and the deal is going to be ending on July 3rd. I love grabbing these chips anytime they're on sale. It says 1 ounce is the serving size, and that would be around 130 calories. The brand is very much known for making their products with very simple ingredients. So here's a list of the ingredients that includes cassava blend, avocado oil, coconut flour, chia seeds, and sea salt. These organic fudge bars are super calorie friendly, considering it's only 100 calories per bar. You get 18 bars per box, and let me tell you, these are actually pretty tasty for it being like a calorie-friendly treat. These have $3.50 off until July 20th. So $8.49 right now, and for the amount that you're getting, I thought this was a sweet deal. One bar is around, again, 100 calories. It has around 14 grams of sugar, 19 grams of carbs, 3 grams of protein, around 1 gram of fat. I always make sure to stock up on Haagen-Dazs. These are probably my favorite ice cream bars at Costco right now. They have vanilla, milk, chocolate, almond, and you get 15 bars per box, $3.50 off. The deal's going to be ending on July 20th. So, yes, guys, I make sure I grab a box or even two, especially right now that summer is quickly approaching. One bar is around 270 calories, 18 grams of sugar, 19 grams of fat, 20 carbs, and around 4 grams of protein. I've tried Malona bars, but I must admit this time around they have a new flavor that I personally have not tried, which is strawberry. I've tried the melon and the mango, and melon's pretty popular too. These have $3.50 off until July 8th, so you get 24 ice cream bars per box. And right now these are going for $9.49. In terms of calories, it's pretty much 130 calories for each bar. And in terms of sugar, it's anywhere between 17 to 18 grams. Check out these organic crispy coconut rolls. If you haven't tried these, I highly recommend you do. They have the perfect amount of sweetness, so they're not like over the top sweet, but it's just, for me, it's perfect. These have $2.40 off until July 20th. The bags have a great size too, 11 ounces, but trust me, you will go through this bag very quickly. So you may want to grab one bag or two. 9 pieces, around 160 calories. That would be around 9 grams of sugar. And then also, it has here a list of the ingredients. These are gluten-free and dairy-free. One of my favorite things about Olive Garden, it's definitely their salad. And so Costco has their signature Italian dressing, and you get 2 bottles of around 28 ounces. This one's on sale right now. I think I'm going to grab one of these two and add it to my cart. $2 off until June 22nd. So they go from 9 down to pretty much $7, and it says here 2 tablespoons, around 80 calories. It has around 2 grams of sugar and then around 540 when it comes to its sodium. Here we have some other sweet deals that I found on Costco.com, like this Ninja Deluxe blender and kitchen system. It comes with the 88-ounce pitcher. You have a 9-cup processor and the Auto IQ. It also comes with 2 of the individual cups that are perfect for smoothies, especially if you're the only one in your household that wants like a green smoothie at the time, or a protein shake for that matter. But this whole set right here, it has $40 off online, and it has great reviews too. 4.7 out of 5 stars. Seems like the deal is going to be ending on July 20th. They also have the Ninja Flip, the 10-in-1 toaster oven and air fryer with the added broil rack. This one also includes the shipping and handling. It's at $0, and so it has $40 off. It typically goes for $190 online, but with the discount, the price comes down to $150. And again, the deal is going to be ending on July 20th for this item as well. Keep in mind also that when you're done using it, you can pretty much store it away. I was reading that you can store it sideways, so that way you save yourself a lot of kitchen counter space. The Titan Arctic Zone Fridge Cold Crush Resistant Lunch Pack with 2 ice balls. This one comes with a 2-pack. This one has $10 off. A lot of people seem to like these. So let's take a look here. So you can see it comes with the ice balls, and it also comes with the container as well for your food. And again, you can get 2 of them. These have $10 off through July 20th. The Nutribullet Ultra Plus Compact Kitchen System with stainless steel. This one here is amazing. I have a Nutribullet, or I should say a Magic Bullet too. I actually have both. They're very old models, but I'm really happy with the product, especially when you want to make cleaning easier for you. You want to just prepare a beverage for yourself. This little system right here is the way to go. $30 off, and it seems like the deal's going to be ending on June 30th, so 10 more days for this sale to be over. It says it also efficiently grinds coffee beans, spices, and herbs for superior flavor and potency. So I like everything that it comes with as well. It even comes with a little food processor there too, which is nice. The Traveler's Choice Granville, it's a two-piece hard side spinner luggage set. So again, it comes with spinning wheels, which I love. The hard side, it's this part right here. And then it also seems like it has a nice little handle there. Great for traveling. Seems like it's of good quality too. 4.5 out of 5-star reviews, $40 off. And the deal's going to be ending on June 30th. We have the Tommy Bahama 100-quart stainless steel rolling cooler. I've seen this one in the warehouse before, and it's nice. I mean, it definitely catches everyone's attention. It comes with a little bottle opener. And this one right here holds up to 130 cans in total. The deal's going to be ending on July 6th. So make sure you guys take advantage of the sale. $80 off. So it goes from $230 down to $150. Pretty solid discount. We have this one currently in our home office. It's the Lazy Boy Mesh office chair. It's very comfy. 4.2 out of 5 stars. It comes with padded armrest. You have a breathable mesh back. And it also has the True Wellness Infinite Support lumbar. $100 off, and shipping and handling is already included, and the deal is going to be ending on June 30th. This is the Henry Murphy sofa with a reversible chase, $250 off, all the way through July 20th. This is actually really nice. Love the look of it too. This one comes with loose and reversible back cushions, and it has a wraparound solid wood base. This is a Cane Kitchen Island. I have seen this one as well in the warehouse before, and it's really cute. $200 off all the way through June 30th. It has a sturdy quartz top. You have 4 storage drawers as well included. And it comes with soft close guides. You have 2 open shelves as well for additional storage. The Arlo Ultra 2 Spotlight camera that is wire-free. It's a security system 4-pack with total security mount. This one right here is pretty good. 3.9 out of 5-star reviews. I have an older model actually, now I think about it. I think it's the Arlo 1, and I'm very happy with it still. This one seems like it's pretty easy to install. I'm not sure what's going on here with these reviews though. But it is on sale with $180 off all the way through July 20th. I do like that it comes with the wall mounts, and it says the 4K video with HD allows you to zoom in to see sharp details. It comes with an integrated spotlight, and it has color night vision as well. The Mason Craft & More 4-piece glass canister set. This one goes typically for $25, but right now has $5 off through June 22nd. It's ideal for dry food storage. You want to make sure you only hand wash these as well. The Benko Kids Chill Lunchbox that comes as a 2-pack. Costco has a great price on this one. $32 after $8 off. And again, the deal is going to be ending on June 22nd. Here's everything that it comes with. So you can see you have little compartments there. And then you also have the outer lunchbox. So perfect for kids, especially if you're taking them to sports and they need snacks in between. These would work great. This is the Bissell Power Clean Fur Guard Deluxe 280-watt cordless vacuum with extra battery. It's not very often when we find vacuums with an extra battery at Costco. So this is pretty good. Great reviews too. 4.6 out of 5 stars. And it has $40 off right now until June 30th. I do find this price to be very reasonable, actually. $160 for it being cordless. Let me know what you guys think about this one. The Titan 26-can backpack cooler. This one's available in 3 colors. They also have it in black. They have it in gray. And then they, of course, have it also in green. So you can see it comes with tons of different compartments. 12 accessory pockets, including the front organizer compartment.